Welcome to Social Work-In. Every research study begins with a question, but the answer depends on the quality of the data collected. Data collection is the process of gathering information to answer a research question or test a hypothesis. Before we go further, here's something important to remember. There are two types of data. Number 1, primary data, collected by the researcher for the first time. Number 2, secondary data, collected earlier by someone else, such as books, journals, census reports, and government publications. Now, let's talk about the major data collection methods. There are 8, and they're frequently asked in competitive exams. Number 1, observation. Here, the researcher carefully watches people, events, or situations and records what actually happens. Number 2, interview. This is a direct conversation with respondents to collect detailed information. Interviews may be structured, semi-structured, or unstructured. Number 3, questionnaire. A written set of questions completed by the respondents themselves, either offline or online. Number 4, schedule. It looks like a questionnaire, but here the researcher asks the questions and records the answers. Number 5, a focus group discussion. A small group of people discusses a topic under the guidance of a moderator to understand shared opinions and experiences. Number 6, case study. This method involves an in-depth study of one individual, family, group, institution, or community. Number 7, document analysis. Researchers collect information from existing records such as reports, policies, newspapers, and official documents. Number 8, experiment. This method is used to study cause and effect relationships by controlling variables. Let's quickly revise them once again. Observation, interview, questionnaire, schedule, focus group discussion, case study, document analysis, and experiment. Here's an exam tip. Observation means watching, interview means asking, questionnaire means self-filling, schedule means researcher filling, and experiment means testing cause and effect. Remember these keywords, and you'll answer many objective questions correctly. Choosing the right method depends on the research objective, participants, time, budget, and the type of information required. Thank you for watching Social Work-In. Keep learning, keep revising, and I'll see you in the next lesson.